This is how Facebook ads actually works, explained like I'm 5. So this is you, and you have a business. And one day you're sitting there thinking, what if the business that I had right now was bigger? You're like, I think that would be pretty cool. You're left sitting there thinking, what are the ways that I could make my business bigger? And you have the genius idea of Meta ads, Facebook ads. So you're like, all right, I'm going to go talk to Meta. So you have a conversation with Meta. You explain the big vision of, I have this business. I want to make it into a bigger business. Do you think you can help me? Meta, of course, obliges and says yes. So you take your money and you give it to Meta. Meta is very happy. They promptly light your money on fire, and that's the end. Just kidding. So Meta takes your money, and they know that you want to grow your business, and that means that you want more people to come check out your business. And that's a pretty good idea because Facebook, Meta, has over 3 billion people using it. It is the largest platform by far. It is the best place to go and find potential customers just by sheer numbers. Meta has a ton of people, a lot of different stick figures, over 3 billion of them. So Meta's like, all right, I have this fresh set of dough and I've got all these people. What can we do with this? Who should I send? And Meta doesn't know. So Meta picks a random group of people out of their giant base of people to send to your site or send to your business. Now, again, this is your business. So Meta now takes a random group of people, which it has some guesses. They're like, okay, your business does X. These people have liked X in the past. We'll start with them. So it starts sending people to your business. And what do you know? Some people come out the other end as customers. Some people buy. Some people liked your stuff enough. They liked the website. They liked everything that you were about enough that they bought. So what does Meta do with that? So what Meta does is they look at the people that they sent into your business and they write that down. They take note of that. Then they look down here and they see who came out the other end, who became a customer, who liked the things that they had going on, and they take note of that as well. This process that's going on over here, this process of Meta watching your business, watching your website, watching who comes out the other end and ultimately becomes your customer, that is the pixel. That's your Facebook pixel, the all ambiguous and powerful pixel. That's all it's doing. It's literally just a stick figure with a sheet of paper writing down who became a customer, because when we have that process, when it has the ability to see who's on our website and who's actually buying, then when Meta goes back to its massive database of 3 billion people, it has data. And now when it's looking at this vast sea of potential customers that it could send our way, it knows who to look for. And it knows the attributes of our customers and the people that we want to see more of. Now, the process of it identifying and matching up these people, this right here, this thing that we're summarizing with thumbs up and X's, is infinitely complex machine learning algorithms and AI that we can't even begin to wrap our minds around. Even like the top engineers at Meta, like it's very hush hush, like how this whole process happens. All we need to know is that basically they take all the data that they have, they find more people, they find us more stick figures. And the reason that we care about this is that then when Meta goes back to send more people to our business, they're the people that are like our previous customers. So then in theory, we will get more customers out the bottom because it's sending us better traffic. Now, this only took us a couple of slides to get through, but this process takes time. This is the optimization period. This is the process of Facebook learning who our customers are. And then Meta comes back to us with a giant stack of money and everything is all happy and good and we are super, super rich, our business grows and things are great. Not always the case, obviously. However, that's not because Meta is doing a bad job for us. Majority of the time, it is something that is very much in our control, something that we are able to prevent and improve over time by making some very specific changes to our business. And the real reason is because a lot of times we have what's called a leaky funnel. Our business here is losing customers throughout every step in the process. So while Meta, yes, is getting better at sending us the right people, it's seeing who is shaking out to the bottom. It's doing its best to send us more of those people. When we have a leaky funnel, it doesn't matter how many of the perfect people Meta is putting in the top of the funnel for us. If it's a leaky bucket, it doesn't matter if we dump a fire hydrant in the top. We're still only going to get a handful of people out the bottom. This is the process of funnel optimization. If you want to learn more about this process and the things that we are able to do in order to close those leaks in our funnel, then click the link over here and I'm going to take you through our 7-figure Shopify sales funnel step by step and show you every page in our funnel and the changes that we make to maximize the number of people that come out the bottom and ultimately become our customers.